Hi everyone, welcome back to the React JS video tutorial, and in this video we are going to learn about the React portal. So these are some key points that we are going to discuss through this video. So first of all we will learn some theoretical part of the React portal, then we will make component, write some code and make an element ID. I'll tell you that what is that, and after that we will test the React portal code. Alright, so first thing is theoretical part of React portal. What is actually that? Okay, so for that I'm just going to show you inside something inside the HTML element, inspect element. So here you can see that everything which is we use and write inside the element will be placed inside the id equal to root. Alright, but sometime you need that your code can be outside from this element and you want to interact the same code with this code also, with the React code also. That how you can do that. For example, I'm just going to open the index.html. Your all code should be inside this, and if you have the another port like root other, then now you can see that there is a one more element. Then how you can put the code here, and you can just interact this code with the internal React code. Alright, so now let's start with the code. So let's say this is, we just complete the first point here. So now let's see with the next point. First of all, I'm just going to make a component and I will add this component on my app.js file. Okay, so now just create one more component here. I'm just going to put the component like outer.js. Alright, so that simply mean that you have some code from outer side. Alright, so I'm just going to use the RCC here. So create a component. Okay, so now I'm just going to write one HTML tag here. Okay, so which I'm just going to write here outer component, and let's import this code here. Outer from outer. Perfect. And now just simply use this code here, and now whenever just you see that you got then an outer code here, but when you just try to see that this code is actually placed inside the root element, but we have to get it outside the element. That how we can do that? For that, just come back on the outer.js. So first of all, just import React DOM from React DOM. Alright, and now just remove this return. Okay, that's my bad. Just remove this return and just write here return React DOM dot create portal. That's create portal, and this is a function have the two elements. First for your HTML that you want to put like outer portal component, and second parameter is id where you want to put. So this is my id, which is the root other. So I'm just going to write here document dot get element by id, and just simply write here this like this. And now whenever I'm just going to console it, now you can see that this element is placed inside the other root. Okay, so just let me correct the portal spelling. Perfect. Now you can see that this is the inside the outside. So this is all about the React portal. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.